It's the infamous LEGOLAND Hotel in Florida, and the Bubby Boy is rolling in.
Pretty sure tentacles are made. Oh yeah, these are made out of those Duplo Legos. Ari.
We are here.
Like, oh my God.
Pirate Island.
Yes, we have those.
All right, we are rolling in. Very cool. They got bricks everywhere. Oh, look at who wants to go to the gift shop. Instantly wants to go to the gift shop. Ari's already getting busy with the Legos in here. It's Bricks Mania. Ari, did you see the castle? Ari wants to go into the castle. It looks like it. Skeleton and bricks. Right, Bubby Boys are checking into their Lego bungalow. Let's see what we got here in the beach resort room. It's Lego everywhere.
I'll give that, except for my team.
They're gonna be dirty. I can't get all of that. Oh wait.
Why was that?
I call top on.
And can I please pick up the, please?
You want top on?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? Have fun with the treasure during your trip, but leave it for others when they
Looks like you guys got something on your beds.
Lego minifigure. 5 plus. Well, that's 27 here.
Let's see.
So we got a minifigure set. Cool deal, man. Boys done went straight to building. Bubby Boys are in the workshop. Master Builder Creative Workshop. They get ready to get busy.
I'm going to be leading you through 2 by 2 gray plates that have the pins on the side.
Alright, pay attention to your set, man. Build a race car. It's a Lego board. You can put Legos up on the wall. You can build. You've never been able to put them on the wall before.
Just take out the piece of the Lego song. Look,
I think he's alive. He's a Lego dude. What they do, man? They're cooking.
People on the team. Oh, guys, look up there.
Oh.
There's a big Lego sword.
Ah! Don't slice me with it, dude. I already made a Lego sword. It's one solid piece, I think. They just make it look like a bunch of Legos.
Yeah. How did they even make this? Also,
A 3D printer, probably. You want to head to the fire pit? Alright, cool. They got the big water slide out here. And they got mini golf out here. We got a free game of mini golf. Maybe we'll play later with Mom and Aiden. Whoa!
what?
It's a huge lake. Hey, it's a bird hanging out. Yeah, we gotta stay away from the water. It says alligators and snakes in the area. We're not fooling around with that.
Yeah.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, new videos every week.